Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of bedroom botanicals. Join us as we unveil the 7 best indoor plants for your bedroom according to Vaastu. From promoting peaceful sleep to enhancing positive energy, these green companions are tailor-made for your sanctuary. Let's embark on a journey to create the ultimate bedroom oasis. Orchids, renowned for their exotic beauty, are an excellent bedroom choice. They symbolize love and luxury, fostering a romantic atmosphere. Orchids also purify the air and are low maintenance, aligning with Vaastu principles to enhance the bedroom's positive energy and aesthetics. Jasmine, with its fragrant and delicate white blossoms, is a top choice for bedrooms. Its sweet scent promotes relaxation and romance, making it perfect for creating a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere. According to Vaastu, jasmine is associated with love and positivity, aligning well with bedroom decor principles. Gerbera daisies, with their vibrant and cheerful blooms, infuse the bedroom with joy and positive energy. Their colorful petals create an uplifting atmosphere, promoting happiness and optimism in line with Vaastu principles for a harmonious and welcoming bedroom space. Pothos, with its lush trailing vines, is a bedroom favorite. It not only purifies the air but also attracts positive energy. Its low-maintenance nature and graceful appearance align with Vaastu principles, making it an excellent choice for enhancing the bedroom's aesthetics and harmony. The snake plant, known for its air-purifying qualities, is an excellent choice for bedrooms. It releases oxygen at night, promoting better sleep. Its low maintenance and sleek appearance make it an ideal addition, harmonizing with Vaastu principles to create a peaceful, positive energy-filled bedroom. The money plant, or Epipremna Marayu, is not only a symbol of prosperity but also a great choice for bedrooms. It's believed to attract wealth and positive energy, aligning with Vaastu principles. Its easy care and elegant foliage make it an ideal addition to enhance the bedroom's ambience. Chrysanthemums, known for their vibrant blooms, are a delightful addition to bedrooms. They symbolize positivity and happiness, promoting a joyful atmosphere. According to Vaastu, chrysanthemums attract good fortune, making them an ideal choice to enhance the bedroom's ambience and positive energy. And there you have it, the magnificent 7 indoor plants to transform your bedroom into a tranquil haven. If you found this guide as inspiring as we did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more tips on creating harmonious living spaces with the power of plants. Until next time, happy planting.